The new Norsonic Nor145 has a unique application screen that allows you to create unique setup apps. It has a colour touchscreen display, an 8-hour battery to keep you going all day, and a 3-year warranty. You can add a Wi-Fi and 4G modem to the device, and then you can download wirelessly through NorConnect. So let's take a look at the software features. Project Manager allows you to see all your measurements, see warnings, and exclude or runniness data. The new reporting window allows us to see the on-screen DNTW and shifted reference curve, including intuitive text warnings, and see the C-term corrections in the table. The real-time display shows us level versus frequency, and the level versus time screen allows us to compare the source and background noise simultaneously to meet the 10 dB rule. The reverberation mode allows us to visualize the decay in third octave and see instant results, including using the inbuilt signal noise generator. With project handling in the Nor145, measurements are auto-saved, and importing previous measurement data is possible. The new File Manager allows the user to define a measurement, create project folders, and organize measurements as completed, including renaming of the measurement to keep things organized. Auto-calibration feature just makes life easier.